just a random monster. It's massive. You see that one's starting to turn. Oh my goodness. How awesome. Yep. Beautiful too. Oh my goodness. Guessing it's probably still gonna be good. Oh yeah, look at that. Alright y'all, so today we're headed out to go find some Matsutake. We'll see if we find anything else. Hopefully something along the lines of a hen, a chicken, some chanterelles. It's a little cooler spot. It's down by the water. I was out here probably about 4 years ago. It was about the last time I found Matsutake. Last year I came a little bit late. I was about 2 weeks after. You can check it out. I didn't find anywhere near what I was expecting, but hopefully I'm a little bit early this year. Maybe I can find 1 or 2 Matsutake along the way. I'm here. This is Fayette. It is a spot out west of me in Augusta that is a little bit cooler. We're gonna see if that 10-degree-ish difference makes a big difference when it comes to the mushrooms. I did see quite a bit fruiting along this little road. So if y'all can find this area, be my guest. I'm not gonna give you the exact location, but it is in Fayette and it's beautiful out here. It's not a really big place, so I wouldn't be shocked if y'all could find it. All right, so let's go check it out. Alright, well, this is the first mushroom out here. I kind of went the wrong direction. Thought I smelled some dirty socks. But, oh wow. Yeah, nice hedgie. Very nice. I think I see another one. Alright, wow. Yeah, look at this little line here. They're chunkers. Big old chunkers. Oh yeah. And there's another one right here. This one looks like it might be buggy. Oh my goodness. Now look at the size of that one. Look at that. Wow. Just... yeah. No, that looks good. Wow, that's just little black brown marks. Oh, look at that thing. Whoa. Wicked stuff right there. Awesome. And then there's another one. Right in there, hiding. I'll save you. That one's turned. Oh, good. I'll put you up here. So the reason I love foraging is because even when you think you know what you're gonna find, oh my God, those are big old hedgehogs. You just have no idea. Wow. And the line just goes bink, bonk. Oh my goodness. Wow. So, yeah, those are gone. And that one might not be. See, it's starting to get dark. That's turning already. Oh, look at that. Nice. Oh, I just busted that one. That's too bad. That was a good one. I have to take that little piece. Oh yeah, no boogies. Nice. It just keeps going. Bink, bonk, bonk, bonk. Yeah, nice. Again, it's cooler out here, so these are going to be, I guess, still viable. one might have a buggy. That's awesome. Oh my. So just when I think I'm done with the chanterelles. Oh my goodness. They're everywhere. Most of them are gone, but wow. So these chanterelles are using the mossy area right next to this lake. So everything else is a bit dry. Yeah, all along the moss. Awesome. Ding, 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 ding. It is always good being down low by the pond or lake or wherever down low. But you always kind of try to look up. I think I see a hericium right there. Oh yeah. There it is. It's actually starting to turn a little bit red. It's been hot. But I'm still gonna get it. Alright y'all, so I'm just going up this little low area here where the water runs. And I've been finding hedgehog. Now I see some more. Yeah, I'm kind of shocked. So there's some hedgehogs. Some chanterelles. Wow. This is crazy. That's beautiful. Oh yeah. Nice. Today's definitely a hedgehog day. Let's see what else we can find. Yeah, you see when it gets really hot, the hericium starts sporing long before it gets big. So that probably only has another day or two before it's completely gone. And you can see those little spores down there. Pretty cool. Nice little bear's head tooth, huh? Oh yeah. Very nice. Nice. Yeah, so I've not really been able to show all the hedgehogs harvested that I am harvesting today. I only had a few hours, and I'll tell you what, between the hericium and these hedgehogs, I have 20 pounds already, and there's still some right there, and there's still some right over there. So I'll give you a little update when I get home, but it has just been so hot, and I've been going so hard. A lot of hedgies. Oh my goodness. It's just absurd how big these are. Hand size. Nice. And they're so meaty, just chunky, dense. Oh my goodness. That is absolutely monstrous. Huge. See a little fat growing on the side there. Oh wow. One heck of a good hedgehog day. Oh buddy. Alright y'all. So I do believe these are going to be the last hedgehogs. Oop. That just broke. Alright. Those are the last couple hedgehogs. There's the car right over there. So I'll weigh this at home and we will see what we got. Alright, so I got 5.5 pounds of sellable, no bug hedgehog. These babies are looking really good. Really good. And I got some shants and hedgies. And I got some other hedgehogs that just have a couple bugs in the cap that I'm going to dehydrate and turn into a seasoning. And then I got about 4 pounds of ursium. Nice. Not a bad haul for the day. Not at all. Happy hunting, y'all. Till next time.